Hello everyone, my name is Siham. Today I will be analyzing a campaign ad by Gerald Daugherty Dab. Please re-elect Gerald, please. The following video is political campaign by Gerald Daugherty, which was made in 2016. The video went viral and had total of 3.9 million views as at now. The campaign was aimed at getting people to re-elect him as the county commissioner of Precinct 3 Travis County. The video showcases his wife describing him while Gerald talks with people and uses his food and items around him to explain his political stand and things he would like to work on within the country. The video has comical aspect to it, showcasing his wife describing him as a man without hobbies and begging people to re-elect him so as to give her break from him. The campaign tapped into both genders, showcasing a wife's view of the husband-like and bonding session between the man and woman separately while still educating people on Gerald's knowledge and passion for the campaign. From the get-go seems more like a reality TV show. Most reality shows have scenes and people explaining a certain happening within the scene. The campaign has an appeal to users because of the lifelike experience that gives the audience the feel of being part of moment within the ad, even if it's for a few minutes. For video to go viral, there is a need to identify what the video or content does to the reader or viewer. People will watch and embrace something that gives them feeling of belonging and being part of community. The connection created within a video is important to make a video go viral, and the video has this aspect to it. One important thing that enables a video to go viral is humor. People love to laugh and smile. A video that taps into this will definitely go viral. The video has some subtle aspects of comedy that are mostly seen in the wife's facial expression and her mode of talking. As she describes her husband as a boring person who carries his work home with blunt expression that screams, "Save me please," the audience gets a moment to laugh. The video additionally creates form where people can relate to the wife and husband's point of view. Gerald is unapologetically acting like himself as he continued to babble on about his county to the audience or his dining table who seemed uninterested. Audiences love people who embrace themselves. Showcasing his real side on camera really draws in people. Sorry. There are several hashtags that can be derived from this moment, such as #why you are not alone, which relate to wife's position as she constantly listens to her husband's political enthusiasm. Many women and children can relate to their fathers or husbands going on and on about things they love. Another hashtag is #ThisIsMeProud, which can be related to Gerald and his love for politics and service to people. The most important part of the campaign was helping the audience learn new things about Gerald, his policies, passion, and proposed solutions. People love to watch content that will give them new knowledge or learn about themselves. The new knowledge leads the audience to feel something and may restore their faith in whoever is sharing the content. The knowledge shared by Gerald helps the audience have faith in him, and he has prows on what the county has and needs. While he brags humbly, he creates trust with the audience. Overall, the video campaign brings people together by creating a sense of family that most people can relate to and feel happy while watching.